Hey everybody, I am just now getting started on the Virginia Triple Crown. I want to try to get all three if I can, hopefully. Hopefully this doesn't turn into a disaster, which it very well could, but who knows. I mean, the weather is sort of a little bit rainy, so just to start, I think the next couple of days are supposed to be really good, but hey, I'm going to turn this around. You can see where I'm at. Okay, this is the bridge that crosses over the road, and well, I'm not doing a very good job of holding my camera up, but anyway, you can see that gets you across the highway safely, and it's pretty dang cool. All right, this is probably within the first 100 yards of coming up over the trail. I was just at the parking lot, which is pretty busy, pretty extremely busy. So I don't like to videotape other people unless I have their permission. But there is a little bit of a misty rain. It's supposed to be misty all day, and then I think it's going to clear up. And wow, this is some ankle twisters here, but yeah, it's supposed to be misty all day, maybe all night. You have a decently waterproof tent. I got an email, so should be in good shape there. I took 311 in. I came off of I-64 and took 311 in, and wow, that's an impressive road. Lots of twists and turns and everything going all over way. 15-mile-an-hour curves, just the whole thing. But man, it was nice. It was some abandoned resorts. I got to stop now. I'm pretty sure once I get past the 2.5 hours to McCaffe's Knob, things will settle down a little bit. This is basically one of those spur trails that you can take to come up to McCaffe's Knob, but it's pretty busy out here right now. And anyway, I'll get back to you. There's another overlook. Let's go out and have a look. I see some birds soaring over. Ooh, this looks pretty high up. Everything's way down at the bottom. Still hear the highway. You are about ready to cross the trail. It's okay. It's okay. Okay guys, first of all, pardon the hat hair. I've been wearing a hat all day. It's been a pretty busy day. This is my recap for the night, and this is where I'm going to spend the night. There's a shelter just over the hill to my left, and it's got about, I don't know, maybe eight young people in there that are spending the night down there. Actually, they're very, very quiet. A couple of them went up over the hill to do McCaffe's Knob, which is 1.4 miles away. Hopefully they took their headlamps because it's only 7 o'clock, but the woods are really dark out here right now. But I got my tent set up. I'm in my tent. I've already eaten. I just had a power bar. Usually when I do start off on the trail and stuff like that, I don't eat very much. I've been doing really good at trying to stay hydrated. That's important for me. I'll probably take some magnesium pill, you know, one of those tonight, just to make sure I don't get leg cramps, because it was a lot of uphill. I only went about 2.5 miles, but getting here was part of the battle, and we did get up. I mean, I got up fairly early. Got up at 6:30, but fell asleep and ended up, you know, about 10 to 8. That's when I actually got moving. So anyway, so this is home for the night. I'm 1.4 miles away again from McCaffe's Knob. I'm hoping maybe I can get up around 7 again tomorrow. I am going to bed kind of early, so it's 7 o'clock right now. So hopefully I can get up and be packed up by 7 and get up there within, I don't know, probably only take me 45 minutes, maybe even an hour, because it's okay. It's me again. I'm back. I am in my tent. Like I said, it's about 7:30. I just flashed the weather. So it looks like it's going to be really good sleeping weather, like about 55. And then the storm that was supposed to come through just sort of disappeared, which is just fantastic. Let's see, what I was going to say that I am 1.4 miles away from McCaffe's Knob. So like I said, hopefully I can get up early and maybe watch the clouds and the fog roll in and see down into the Catawba Valley. I am not sure exactly how to pronounce it. The Catawba Valley, I guess it's C-A-T-A-W-B-A. Of course, I just flashed the weather, so that was the name of the area that I'm at too, so you'll see it there too. But anyway, just wanted to say I'm having a great time. I mean, I'm out here in what feels like the middle of nowhere. There are several people around. There's a group of kids down at the bottom of the hill here in the shelter. I decided to hit the campground, or campsite area. Not really a campground, but a campsite area. And stay up here on the side of the hill. I'm up here by myself. There's nobody around. We have lots of warnings out for bears. I think I posted a picture earlier about the bears. So the reason I stopped early was because I can't get to McCaffe's Knob in 1.4 miles, and then another 1.8 or 9, maybe even 2 miles away was where I was going to stop, and that was called Pig Farm. That's just the name of the campsite. I didn't name it. But they're having bear problems there. And if you flash back to the beginning of my video with the bear warnings, you'll see that that's the place they say it's closed. You can't go there. So instead of trying to push myself for 3 more miles, which this 2.5 was, it's uphill. It's uphill all the way. Rocks, roots, the whole works. And I don't know. There's a lot of people out here, so it's not bad. There's people all over the country. You cannot camp up at McCaffe's Knob, so I should probably say that. And then, like I say, it was 1.4 to get there, and then another 2 miles to get to Pig Farm, which is where I plan to stay. But since it's posted now, I can't do that. So I did eat a power bar, not a power bar, a protein bar, and let's see, I got my bear bag hung up, toothpaste, all that kind of stuff is all out there. It's approximately about 200 feet away, which is what they recommend. So anyway, so I guess just good night. Day 1, 2.5 miles. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Bring it on. Hey, good morning, folks. It's time for me to get up and get rolling. It's probably about 8 o'clock. It only took me about an hour to pack up and get some coffee going. I'll probably have some snack bars along the way, and then maybe I might have dinner tonight. Who knows? Usually don't get all that hungry, but here's a view of the place that I was at this morning. Kind of see the dry spot there. It was raining pretty hard last night. Just had a little bit of water in the tent, but I stayed dry and warm and didn't need extra clothing. So that worked out pretty good. I was pretty happy with that. That's the direction I came from. And this is the direction I'm going. Got 1.5 miles to McCaffe's Knob. One of the most photographed places, dang it, one of the most photographed places on the AT. So here we go. trail going right up through all these rocks. And trust me, this is a good section.